In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Outlook folders quickly and efficiently using a simple command. This can be incredibly useful if you're experiencing issues with missing folders or just want to ensure everything is set back to its default state. So let's dive right in and take you through this straightforward process. First, what you need to do is head over to your Windows search bar. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to the Start button. It's a very handy tool that you can use to find applications, settings, and files on your computer without any hassle. Now, what we're going to do is search for a specific application that's going to help us get the job done. Next, you'll want to type Run into the search bar. What you're looking for is an application called Run, which is a built-in Windows program that allows you to open apps and execute commands quickly. Once you see it pop up in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the Run dialog box. It will look like a small rectangular window where you can type commands. Now we're going to type a specific command into this dialog box. What you're going to input is outlook.exe/reset folders. So once you've entered this command, go ahead and hit Enter on your keyboard. This command prompts Outlook to reset its default folders, effectively giving them a fresh start. Now Outlook should automatically open and you should see all your folders restored to their default settings. It's that simple and can resolve many issues with your Outlook not displaying folders correctly. And there you have it. You're done. You've now successfully reset your Outlook folders to their default state. This should help sort out any trouble you may have been experiencing with missing folders or folders not displaying properly. It's a quick and easy solution that doesn't take too much time, but can be very effective. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that your issue has been resolved. If you did, feel free to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more troubleshooting tips and guides. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment down below. We're always here to help you tackle those pesky tech difficulties. Thanks again for joining and have an awesome day.